Welcome everyone. Today, without any special intro, I'm just gonna jump right into it and start by removing gas tank. As I can see, the gas tank is held in altogether by 6 screws, but 4 of them are gas tank plus the cover. One second, I'll get under the card and I'll show you. So as you can see, there are 1, 2 and 3. Same from the other side. Up there, 1, 2 and 3. But the ones on the sides hold this cover, and then those in the middle hold the gas tank itself. If I'm not mistaken, these are on 17 millimeter heads. Before I go under the car, I need to disconnect. So there is the disconnect. 2 pipes, fuel pipes, like the one that's going in the engine and one that's going back. Then this, I believe it's vacuum because it comes from the fuel tank system that depressurizes the system, I guess, and one electric connection. Gonna get rid of those, and also this whole thing also will go, just so it doesn't get in the way for me lowering the gas tank. We'll get rid of that, apply some WD-40 on the screws, and see you in a minute. Let's start thinking about some platform for lowering the gas tank. One is up. I'm just gonna remove the cover first, then see what's happening. At least you get 3 out. 3 more left. This will be fun. And I don't know how many diesel is left in the tank. Let's hope that not much. Gun. I know that maybe with the jack isn't the right approach to remove the gas tank, but I don't have anything else. Later I'll need to clean that corner up and put it there, then I can throw everything on it. Oh, I think we will be... Oh no, the pipe doesn't bother us. Yeah, I guess let's just do it. They say send it and hope for the best. Just hope that nothing splashes in there. I was on the bottom of the red light on my gas tank when I put it here. So hopefully that's not more than 5-10 liters. We'll see. Let's hope not. Yeah, I think I found the right spot. As good a spot as any. Last screw left. Okay, thank God it wasn't that heavy. Whew. Hey, but now we got it. Cool, that's a new experience. Removing gas tank. Awesome. Now I can see all the mayhem that's going on down there. Jeez, I don't have anything left in that. The rear department. Okay, cool. Okay, now little pause. Hopefully we'll continue today because I had a little celebration here, and most likely there will be a lot of people and I won't have any work to do. I won't be able to do any work. But yeah, gas tank, 6 screws altogether for the cover and 2 for the, well, actually all 6 for the gas tank itself. Just the cap, few tubes and 1 connection, and just to lower it. Yeah, I'm gonna put it there. See you in a moment, hopefully. So it's a new day. Well, actually it's already 4 days after we took out the gas tank. And by the way, there wasn't 5 liters in it, there was like 30 liters. I guess my gauge isn't working properly because, yeah, it showed like less than red. What else? See now that this is totally messed up. Okay. Got rid of some of it. Nice. Anyway, today for this episode at least, I'm gonna try to move everything from the rear to the front, because when I'll get the hydraulic jack, then it's gonna be easier. Also, I won't remove hydraulic steering right now. That will be tossed together with the engine and also the drive shafts and everything. Yeah, just let's understand what are all the pipes, tubes, and the wiring, where what goes. And then I guess that's gonna be it for this episode, and I guess I'm gonna skip next week or even 2 weeks, because yeah, I need stuff to be done outside of this project, and yeah, some preparation works. Okay, let's see. The wiring. There are 2 set of wires, because I believe that they are one for the rear hook and one for the car. So yeah. So this little wire with the connection right here, it goes to diff locker. I guess that's the indicator on the dash that diff lock is active or deactivated. Then we have 2 set of wires. Yeah, one is messed up, that's one thing, and yeah, this is the outer one is for rear hook. You can see here it was connected at some point, and the rest is like rear doors, lights and everything else, and then it just goes out to the second side, other side, other side there. So we remove the wiring. I'm gonna, I guess, label it somehow a bit later. For now, the wiring is off. And now I can start removing the tubing. So what do we have? Well, these 2 on the driver's side. On the driver's side, the two tubes are for diff locker, same as the wire. They just go down into the pneumo mechanism that pumps in the air and pumps out the air. Then the other side. 1 second. Let's check. Just get the light down there. So the other side, there are 2 fuel tubes and 2 brake tubes. So 4 tubes on this side, 2 on that. Well, there's something more, but we'll get to that when we're closer to that. I think those are also brake tubes, something here, that vacuum tubes maybe. But yeah, we can remove some of them. Got the diff locker tubes off, and I have no clue how the hell this didn't let air out, because it's totally rusted off. I started taking off the tubing and it just fell apart. Okay, that's something concerning, but hey, like I said, everything in this car is rusted to bits. You can see there should be cover for suspension. Here you can see this condition of the suspension. I'm surprised that these spring covers aren't broken off. That's good. That's good. That's what I like to see. Okay, now I guess let's just get this part somewhat off. Yeah, I need to get the tubing off there. Yeah, let's try. I managed to get off both of the fuel tubes and to take aside the brake tubes. The brake tubes are still connected to this. I don't know what exactly is that, but I think it's something like brake pressure distributor unit or something like that, possibly. Not sure. Well, that's it for this episode. This episode was all over the place and was like starting from one day to another. But thanks for stopping by. In the next episode, you will most likely see how I remove some other stuff like this rear bar and small stuff, or already the engine. That will be next episode from this project. Thanks everyone, and again sorry for the weird episode, short episode I guess. Hope to see you again, and hope to get new equipment by next episode, because I want to buy a tripod so I don't have to hold the camera in my hand. Thanks everyone for stopping by, and see you in the next episode. Bye.